Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can rearrange or move items up or down in the accessibility shortcuts on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on accessibility. Next, we swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility shortcuts. And to rearrange shortcuts menu items, you can simply drag on one of the items, touch and hold, and then just drag it into a new position, like so. And this will allow you to rearrange. So let's say if I move zoom on top of voiceover and then let go. And that is how you can rearrange items or move them up and down within the menus. And after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you open up the accessibility shortcuts menu, you can see the items has now been rearranged. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.